Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access Coinbase Wallet on desktop. First, you will need to download the official Coinbase Wallet browser extension. Make sure you are using a compatible web browser, like Google Chrome or Brave. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your unique 12-word recovery phrase. This initial setup is crucial for securing your digital assets. Once your wallet is set up, open the extension and enter your password to unlock it. Then, navigate to any decentralized application or website you wish to use. Look for a Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the D app. Clicking this will prompt your Coinbase wallet to connect, allowing you to interact with the application securely and seamlessly. It's a straightforward process. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is simple with your desktop wallet. To send, select the asset, input the recipient's address, and specify the amount. Always double-check the address to prevent errors, as transactions are irreversible. To receive funds, find your wallet's public address for the desired cryptocurrency and share it with the sender. Your assets will then appear in your wallet. Protecting your assets is paramount. Never share your 12-word recovery phrase. It grants full access to your funds. Use a strong, unique password for your wallet and be vigilant against phishing scams or suspicious links. Always verify website authenticity. Finally, back up your recovery phrase in a secure, offline location, like a physical safe, to ensure you can always recover your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.